Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guide 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Attention to Detail Auto Polishing in South Dennis, Massachusetts, we have the 2021 Audi RSQ8. This one is a DME Stage 2 tune with downpipes. So, this thing sounds incredible. I've driven the Urus, but I've never driven an RSQ8. I've driven a Q8. I've driven an SQ7. I've never driven a tuned Urus or a tuned Audi R8 or V8 in any form. So let's give this thing a whirl, and I'll show you exactly why this thing is just stupid. Plain and simple, this is probably the fastest SUV I've driven. And that says a lot. You guys know what I've driven. I mean, I haven't tried a Cayenne Turbo or a new Cayenne GTS. I've driven a GTS Coupe, but not a Turbo. Again, this isn't stock for stock. This is tuned, and it has downpipes. It's not stock. And it's a Stage 2 tune. Based off of just feel, this is probably 700 horsepower or so. And the fact that this is downpipes and a tune, and this is what this thing does, okay, that means this thing is an absolute weapon. Bone stock. Yeah. A little bit of lag, but it hooks and books. Please don't be going on the highway. Please don't be going on the highway. Let's see how this thing handles this. This thing absolutely rips. Oh my God. This thing does things that shouldn't be possible in an SUV. It doesn't drive like an SUV. The way this thing corners, that was probably 6-7 tenths. This had way more than that, but I'm on a public road. I've only driven the car for maybe 10-15 minutes. And on top of that, in 10-15 minutes, I've gained a lot of confidence in this car. And it's not a scary kind of power. If you were a passenger, yeah, okay, this would be a little scary. And the first time I punched it, I was definitely a little scared. But this is a usable power because it's all-wheel drive. You can feel the front start to get a little light, but it's usable. And oh man, do I want to use this power. This car is just absurd. I have to be honest with you, I don't see a need for the Urus. This is all you need, right here. And I'm pretty sure this isn't a crackle tune. I think these are just stock crackles amplified by the downpipes. Because they're not absurd. They're loud, but they're not. They're the stock amount of time. The fact that you're pulling 1G on acceleration, that's crazy. 0.92, whatever. This car, I mean, I didn't expect to drive this car today. I only expected to come down here for a TRX. So, thanks, Mike. I appreciate this. This is just cool. I like this a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.